A brief look at SCR tuning, a short video featuring Dr. Kevin Linfield. Improperly tuned selective catalytic reduction systems, known as SCRs, can prove costly to utilities both in excessive ammonia consumption as well as in increased maintenance costs. As a poorly operating SCR increases ammonia flow to achieve the necessary de-NOx rate, excess ammonia is blown through portions of the catalyst, while other areas struggle to receive enough for proper conversion. The excess ammonia blown through the fully reacted regions then passes out of the SCR as ammonia slip, costing the plant money in wasted ammonia and fouling the air heater and other downstream equipment. For these reasons, an annual SCR tuning program is critical to overall plant efficiency. Field testing personnel measure the SCR performance by utilizing the variety of different testing kits. Often a mobile kit will contain gas analyzers, conditioners, pumps, and tubing to quickly and easily integrate with the existing SCR gas sampling grid. A ruggedized computer with custom software is used for analyzing and visualizing the ammonia profile in the SCR. Tuning is accomplished by manipulating the valves at the ammonia injection grid header to change the relative amount of ammonia that is provided to each section of the SCR reactor. These plots demonstrate the before and after nitrous oxide profiles for a recent tuning project. The red areas show region of very high local NOx concentration, while the dark blue areas show very low levels of NOx, which correspond to areas of ammonia slip. It can be seen that through careful manipulation of the AIG, the NOx uniformity was improved significantly from an RMS of 41% to an RMS of 13%, minimizing both the total ammonia required to meet the de-NOx goals as well as the amount of ammonia slip. For more information on field testing, please contact Airflow Sciences. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.